Step 1, remove the bumper. Oh God. Holds all the screws pretty well. Next I gotta get these, those, and all those little tabs. And then there's something like 20 under the car. Yeah, the instructions say to pop 7 of these out with a flat head, so that'll be next. And then I gotta get the bottom. Easier than I expected. I guess there's more. And the wheels too. And there's also a bolt right there that needs to come out. One side done. Now the next side. Whoever said this is a 5-minute job can kiss my... Shit. Now the disgusting part is my car's been melting. And I gotta get them all under there now. Probably can't even see. Yeah. So there's like 9 per, or 3 per panel, so there's 9 total. Alright, after those are all out, you just gotta pull down the skid plate here. And there should be 2 more somewhere. Just kidding. Mine was missing them, hopefully. I just gotta get that off. And then I pull off the bumper, I think. This is where I attempt to pull off the bumper. Oh shit. Start breaking anything? Oh fuck. It's off. Let's see. Actually came off pretty easily. Could be a bad sign, who knows. So now that the bumper's detached, we just gotta get the clips for the fog lights and turn signals on each side. So, let's see. This is where I electrocute myself, because I'm standing in puddles of water. How the fuck did these come off? So I gave up trying to get that out. Probably don't need it anyway, because I'm just trying to get the headlights out. And I'll replace the fog lights anyway, so I can just disconnect. But this is what's going in. OEM lights. New lights. No more guides posted, so this is pretty much just me winging it at this point. We got bolt, Phillips, and I think after that they pop out. Maybe another bolt there, but I think that's about it. And another. It looks like that one, and then another one of those push pins. It looks like it comes out now, other than unplugging everything. So, yeah, gotta get all these things unplugged first. Also, I'm actually stupid and didn't disconnect the battery first, so yeah, do that. It's out, and I'm not dead. So now it's just a matter of putting it back in the way I took it out. I gotta get those in. That one there. I think there were supposed to be some there, but didn't have any. And then somehow that goes together. Huh. So satisfying. So, I think that's all the screws. New headlight. Old headlight. So now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Take out those probably like 5 fasteners, take out the light, and put in the new one. That might ruin my day, but I think there's enough thread room left in there. Yeah, it just snapped off. Well, it's in, but that did snap off, so I'm gonna have to drill it out. Much better.